is MySpace. Yeah, you see I'm bumping the Gucci right now. Yeah, that shit fire, I ain't gonna lie. But I wanna get on this rap shit right quick. First of all, to me, Gucci going the hardest right now. Right behind him was Walker, then Weezy. Nah, fuck it. Weezy before Walker, he ain't in front of Gucci though. I ain't gonna fuck with no one. None of y'all fuck niggas say. Behind Weezy, probably gotta put Gotti in there. Matter of fact, Cocaine Music 4 is on the way. Matter of fact, I'm about to go after this video right here. I'm gonna check the shit to see if it's out yet. Cause I heard one of the songs. This shit is called Yo Gotti Jerk. It's called The Jerk. He remixed that shit. That shit hella stupid hard, but that's that new shit. That Gucci Man featuring DeRoe. Yeah. But I'm gonna change this shit. I'm gonna put something else on right quick. Hold up. Yeah, this shit right here riding. This that OJ the Juice Man styling. Yeah, this all the Kush Season mixtape. Yeah. Stupid fruity, swag, stupid fruity, with some auto bitch, crazy color flavor outfit, later. Yeah, that shit hard. Yeah, that's my shit right there. I don't even like Juice Man, but that song right there is hard, man. I don't give a damn what nobody say. Hold on, let me put something else on. Hold up right quick, hold up. And this shit acting up right now. Hold up right quick. Wait another. Here they go, right. Yeah, this shit fire. Hold up. Let me fix the camera. This is a fire. Let me put my head down. Fucking jerk. Walking around talking about some motherfucking word. About some motherfucking Hold on, let me show you something we do around here. Yeah, that's how damn, you can't see the shit. But that's a blunt. That's matter of fact, that's 2 blunts. You can't really see the shit that good. Let me see. Yeah, that's 2 blunts though. Probably can't tell, but it's 2 blunts there. Yeah, we getting hot around here. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I'm burning. Matter of fact, hold up. I'll be right back. Yeah, that's how we getting this. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Y'all already know what it is, man. MOB, money over business. But that's basically it. So I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna holler at y'all. I'm gonna let y'all go. When you see me, say thank you for entertaining y'all. Holler at y'all later. Hey, yeah.